guys, I have here a tabletop autoclave Techno-Gaz model Andromeda Plus CT Linya 2000. So this one is having a problem, AL-7, which is related to the pressure. So if you are having this problem, first make sure that the door seal is okay. Then the second thing, check the filter here. This is on the side of the machine, right side. Clean the filter inside here, and here on the other side, check for the blockage on this valve. So this one is caused by the dirty water which is inside this tank. So this tank is located here in this area. So this is the water level sensor. The tank is here. So I clean the tank because it is very dirty, which is causing the blockage here, and also the filter on the other side. So the exhaust tank, I will also clean this one, and this one will solve the problem. So as you can see, everything is open. So I will assemble the machine, and after that I will run. So the problem with this one is the pressure is not increasing, and after 40 minutes it could not finish the cycle, and it's showing here AL-7, which means this problem is related to the pressure not increasing. Okay guys, the other problem for this machine is it's showing Error-3, and all the time this exhaust tank indicator is on. So even we remove the water from the exhaust tank, the problem is always there. So the problem for that one is the level sensor for the exhaust tank is defective. So this is the defective one, and I changed it with the new one. So the problem for the Error-3 is solved, and I will return this to the exhaust tank, and we will run the machine. Now I will on the device. As you can see guys, the tank is empty, so we need to see water is filling the tank. So until this one is full, it will stop. This is the pump filling the water in this tank. You need to make sure that there is no leak. Now it's gone. You will see now until maximum. See, it's finished, but I want the tank to be full, so I will push again. Okay guys, now the tank is full, so I will remove this. And I want to start the machine now. Door is locked. One thing we need to observe, this pressure should go up and the temperature should go up until it reaches the desired temperature. So it will start when this pump starts sucking the water from the tank. So let's see, sucking the water now. And it's stopped. And we should observe that this temperature should go up. Okay, so we will see, we will wait, and we will observe. So as you can see, the temperature now is increasing, and at the same time the pressure. So the device still running. Still running. Now, the process is finished. The machine is working good now.